Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrical damage. Start by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove all external devices such as USB drives and peripherals. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. There are typically 10 to 12 screws, so keep them organized to avoid confusion during reassembly. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back panel off, you'll see the motherboard and other internal components. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the interior of the laptop. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. If you're unsure about handling this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's focus on the motherboard. If you need to detach it, locate the screws securing it in place. Use the Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. Make sure to label each screw according to its original position to simplify reassembly. Disconnect any cables attached to the motherboard, noting their positions for later reconnection. After the motherboard is free, inspect it for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you find any issues, consider using our service for a quote before repair, which can save you time and hassle. Once you've completed your inspection or made repairs, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully reconnect the cables to the motherboard, ensuring they are seated properly. Reattach the motherboard using the Torx screws you labeled earlier. Remember to follow the original order for a smooth process. After securing the motherboard, replace the back panel by aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws using the Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this can crack the casing. Before powering on your laptop, double-check that no screws or components are left out. If you're feeling overwhelmed or don't have the tools, don't forget that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop repaired without any hassle. Finally, power on your HP Omen 16XF and observe its startup process. If all goes well, you've successfully repaired your laptop. If you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out for assistance, as we are here to help you with your gaming device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.